Public health efforts are aimed at improving and maintaining health of people at community level so that less people fall ill. Eradication of smallpox and elimination of polio are among the recent successes of global public health efforts. Public Health Foundation of India was established as a response to India's emerging needs of public health response. Indian Institute of Public Health Gandhinagar is among the first IIPH to be established on 2nd August 2007 by erstwhile Chief Minister Shri Narendra Modi. IIPH will be like IIM and IIT of public health. As said by Shri Narendra Modi, the institute started its functioning from an interim rented facility in Ahmedabad in early 2008 and will move to its own campus in 2015. Over last 7 years, the institute has been contributing to strengthening of public health in Western India through education, applied and field research, health system to support government, short-term training, advocacy and policy-making support. IIPHG currently has a multidisciplinary team of 17 faculty members, 3 administrative staff and around 23 research staff.
What I like about teaching at IIPHG is it provides almost unlimited scope for experimentation and innovation in teaching. And we get a number of students who have a lot of experience and some who are young, fresh and energetic. We also get opportunities for interacting with students all around in sports, cultural events, visits, etc. So on the whole, it's been great 6 years of teaching here. It's been a beautiful journey here.
IIPHG offers both regular courses and programs in internet-based distance learning. Regular courses: Postgraduate Diploma in Public Health Management, Associate Fellow of Industrial Health, Distance Learning Courses, Certificate Course in Research Methodology, Certificate Course on Managerial Effectiveness for Healthcare, Certificate Program in Health, Safety and Environment Management, Certificate and Postgraduate Diploma in Public Health and Hospital Management for Nursing and Allied Health Professional. In addition to classroom teaching, field visits, guest lectures, debate and seminars have been integral parts of on-campus education. All of these help participants to gain self-exposure. Inputs are also provided to improve their soft skills to enhance their placement prospects.
I had done my PGDPHM course after joining IIPH Gandhinagar in 2010. In 1 year, I had got different type of public health managerial skills, which is very helpful after joining the Commissionerate of Health. I had worked as a public health consultant and planning consultant, where I got different skills, which is very useful in the field of maternal health, child health, and diseases like malaria, tuberculosis, and swine flu.
The students of IIPHG have got a great exposure and have been working at well-known organizations.
Students enjoy friendly and freely environment at IIPHG. We have in our curriculum, we try to give them different types of learnings. Apart from that, we used to organize different sports and cultural events for our students, where they interact with research staff, admin staff and faculty members. So this encourages them to interact with each other and definitely to learn more and more.
Faculty here at IIPHG have been carrying out research on areas of their interests that include maternal and child health, health system improvement, health and nutrition, etc. Different research are through collaboration with national and internal agencies.
The vision of Indian Institute of Public Health Gandhinagar is to develop a world-class public health institution of higher education based on research and practice of public health. This is the first campus being developed of Indian Institute of Public Health in Gandhinagar with a 50-acre plot kindly donated by Gujarat government for this purpose. This is a very green campus where we will have facilities for 300 students. This institute will also have practical training sites around this area where the students can practice the discipline of public health at ground level and try to improve public health services working with the government primary health care as well as with NGOs.
As a researcher, I would say it's the space in IIPHG to think, to read, to meet different people. And the growth that this gives you, that is the nourishment for one's soul that you get in IIPHG.
IIPHG, working towards a healthier India.